It was a cold day on the island of Sodor. Edward was working hard. "Why do I have to work in this cold weather?" he said. Then he had finished all his work, but he was too tired to go to Tidmouth, so he slept in a siding outside the station. Next morning he woke up and sneezed. Achoo! Then Edward went to the station. He had to get Thomas's coaches ready. Then he sneezed again. Achoo! And bit into Thomas. "Sorry," said Edward. "What's wrong with Edward?" said Thomas the Duck. "I don't know," said Duck. "He has been sneezing a lot," said James. Maybe he has allergies," said Duck. "Or maybe he has a cold," said Thomas. Then Edward's driver told him that he had to pull the express. "Why me?" he said. "Because, Edward, Gordon is sick." And then he saw Gordon. "Gordon, guess what? I'm pulling the express." "Pah," said Gordon. "You'll never go as fast as me, and you'll never make it up my hill, that's for sure." "I'll show you," said Edward. So then Edward was coupled up to the express. Edward pulled and pulled. The express was too heavy. Then he sneezed. Achoo! And he was off. Then Edward realized something. "I'm slowing down," he said. "I'd better go faster." Then he saw Percy. And Percy said, "You can do it, Edward." Then he sneezed again. Achoo! And he went much faster. So at last he reached the station. And then he set off and got closer and closer to Gordon's Hill. "You can do it, Edward," said Bertie. Then at last Edward reached Gordon's Hill. He tried to get to the top, but he couldn't. "I can do it! I can do it!" said Edward. But the express was too heavy. Then he sneezed. Achoo! At last he reached the top, and then went down the hill. At last he reached the station. Then he saw Thomas, Duck, and James, and he also saw Gordon. Then Edward looked at the time. "I'm early," he said. Gordon was surprised. "I didn't think you were going to be early," said Gordon. "I thought you were going to be late." "And I told you I can pull the express, and you thought I couldn't."